With the Digital Twin Starter Kit, Bosch Digital Twin Industries and Pepperl+Fuchs offer a complete solution for real-time based machine monitoring. It enables predictive maintenance and ensures system optimization. The kit consists of high-performance sensors for measuring vibration diagnostics, an I/O link master for data collection, and an edge gateway for processing field data and transmitting it to the cloud. After commissioning and a short learning phase, the data is evaluated and visualized in the digital twin solution from Bosch Digital Twin Industries. Using machine learning models and AI algorithms and predictive measures are derived. The Digital Twin Starter Kit is particularly suitable for companies with sensitive, difficult to access, or high investment machines, such as centrifugal pumps, fans, and compressors. These can be found in numerous industries, including the process, pharmaceutical, energy, and automotive industries. The system helps minimize unplanned downtime by detecting faults early, reducing maintenance and energy costs, maximizing machine availability along with remaining useful life calculations, as well as monitoring operating status in real time. Thanks to flexible IT/OT integration, the Digital Twin Starter Kit can be seamlessly integrated into existing systems via pre-built, plug-and-play features and scaled as required. Give your machines a voice and reach out now to explore how our solution can benefit you.